Hi, Diana here from Diza Tiaras. I normally make wedding jewellery, tiaras for all occasions and rosary beads. Today I'm going to share with you my wee face mask hack for the current situation that we find ourselves in. So I'm using a man's handkerchief and 2 hair bobbles. It's already folded in for my handkerchief, and I'm just going to pop a wee hairband on this side and a wee hairband on the other side, like so. Fold it in slightly just to keep the hairband in place. Pop it on my face, round my ears, and we're good to go. And obviously when you get home, you just take it off, remove the hairbands, and your handkerchief can go into a very hot wash, dried overnight, and you've got it again for the next day.